This is hard. Really hard life. Get up, get about, and do the right thing. And remember, walk with the Most High every time. Jamaica can be a nice place to live in. Yes, man. We all can come together as one in a real life. This is hard. Really hard life. Stick around. I have a lot to show y'all. Yes, man.
Rising up like the phoenixes. Been tired of pushed to the ground.
Blessings again. I love my life. I love my country. I don't know about you now, but all I have is love in my heart. Each and everyone on the face of this earth. Yes, man. Sometimes it seems a little bit hard to do the right thing. Yes, man. Sometimes doing the right thing will make you hungry. Sometimes doing the right thing will make you lose your life. But trust me, get up, get about, do the right thing. And remember, walk with Jaja every time. This is hard, you know? Really hard life. Where we keep it natural, all natural. So life, country nice. Yeah, man, look on them, man. Oh, so pretty. But come with me. Up the hill I go. No more energy already. It's a blessed day. Brother, give thanks to Chris Care them come, you see me? Yeah, man, I'm bridging from long time. One of the citizens, well, that's one of the persons where they in I community when we just come here, will show me that Somerset love them.
And you really get that at Somerset, no?
And you don't really get that at Somerset so easy. Remember the pepper tree? It's a blessing, man. Right now it a flourish. Never out of pepper yet. This morning, see if I can get, if it's even 1 or 2 or 5. Let's see what I go on. Alright, so 1 or so. Nice and pretty. So another one around the corner. Yeah, man. See there? About 2 round here, so. Oh, my turn brown already. I want to listen when them brown like this, they hot like fire. Trust me. Like really hot. Oh yeah. Got it. Still not get the right one either. So that's 4 this morning. Trust me, can't eat half this, you know. Yo. Alright. Fellas. Well, say good morning. Another day at school. Yes, man. It's a blessed day. We're not driving the truck today, as expected, but we're driving the bus once more. So just come with me. School we are.
Brother, come in on my bar. Hold on.
Yeah, put on, yeah. Seatbelt first.
I mean, I really want to get addicted to this thing, you know, because I don't know if it's an addiction. You know.
So, Give us a book and brake. Check it, 1 gear. Take time, push and pull your foot on your indicator. Check your mirror, then wrap it around the corner. Then. See there? They have drop out people. Why the boy he got to drive.
So like what happened to you, man? What?
Alright, up hill we go. 1 gear.
Yeah. Shake out the 2 pin. Hot. Yeah. What you moving at here?
Yeah, man, I see you, man. Yeah.
Wait on gas.
I'll be honest with you, brother. You see, me go down so, and me meet this fella where I drive the jewels. And I'll be honest with you, brother. You see, work with that man I do. Every man has to get a work like that. You waste a lifetime brother on a night. Big man thing, because the man I drive right, I just like how we are driving. That's it. Yeah man, from one estate to another.
Yeah, link him for that work for yourself. Yeah, link him for that work for yourself.
Yeah, use up your hand, use up your hand.
Yeah. We make a link, you know, but you know, to St. Thomas and way down, so you know. So, I don't have no credential with up like that.
Hands on the wheel, son.
You know more while you say you take on a certain work, but you just not qualify.
What in?
Yeah.
What do you?
Still not getting used to it again, yeah?
Music gone from you.
Truck still in it, man.
Take gone already.
Buy it on the hand.
That's it, speed.
What?
That was good.
When I carry it over here, so it can't go in no more gear but one.
But one.
Dead 2, 3. No more gear but one.
Right over the hard one.
Yeah.
Softball.
I hard one. Softball, I ain't a neutral. Softball, I get wheel power, third.
Yeah.
Can you watch something for me? I want me to come on back.
On.
Engine brake over here.
I'm going next, right? Yeah. Nobody no pause, you know, so the bus stop me now here from nobody.
I've tried up to the steering and the front wheel. Yeah.
Don't drink and jack.
Hey, you see me a drink?
Drink.
I have nothing to drink. I listen to Buggy, you know, Buggy say you must drink first, drive after.
We don't drink and drive.
Hey, so you can't drink, you know. And you have to drive junk. You can't drink.
Something you want like a fluid and take the water.
Drive junk.
I tell you. I tell you. They said don't drink and drive.
But then tell you how much you can drink.
Something that big on.
So there's still
What? Engine brakes up to the steering and drive, brother.
Stop right there. Then after go stop. Watch out. Alright, let's go now. Then after turn it off. You gas pedal like clutch. But you now have to turn off this on.
Oh, so just leave it on.
Yes, leave it on.
Yeah.
Like in a gas pedal and clutch. As you ease up half all of them,
Yeah.
chippy. Half two of them, engine brake chippy. So you now have to use that.
Take up on the clutch, it cut out.
Once you go by clutch or gas, it cut out.
Cut out. So you neutral, it cut out too.
Engine brake up and down. Wiper forward and back.
Ease up.
You hear the seat sound?
Oh man. Alright, remember how fast we are now?
You wanna chuck this one now? Going in it, we go in. You better know where you put it in.
You can know what I'm going every day.
It's back synchronized.
This and anything you put in there, it's not going on. That's not going to go shame you.
Reverse it now, going on with it now. And then I speed.
We have enough strength to go into.
And then reverse.
Yeah man.
Mash up one.
Mash up the engine,
You
run.
know that,
The gearbox.
Yeah, man, you can't get a lower